Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to fix Wild Rift stuck on verifying files in 2026 using a new method so you can get back into the game without any issues. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix the Wild Rift stuck on verifying files, you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data and wait until an error prompt appears stating that you do not have an internet connection or you have insufficient storage. After that, you can simply turn on the Wi-Fi or your mobile data and go back to the game and click retry. You can also check if Wild Rift is currently up to date. And for the other ones, it's simply going to clear the game cache. To do that, simply go to your settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and search for Wild Rift and simply clear the cache or offload the app. You can also check if your storage space has enough for this kind of update, because if not, this would make complications. It would delay the update. That's it. If it helps, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this.